So this is the championship game in volleyball between the white shirts and the yellow-green. And yellow-green failed to bring back the leader. So we have now white in service. There goes the ball. High ball and easy ball taken. And a jump. Okay, yeah. Point given. Second serve. White serve. There goes the letter. Bang! It's too strong for the yellow, for the green yellow. So ayan, may nag-trumpet. Oh, yes. Oh, nice ball. Good ball. Trying to recover the ball, but they failed to do so. It's still white in service. White in service. Okay, there goes another ball. Here comes another ball. Oh yeah. White now finding up points against the yellow-green. There goes another ball. Aha! Trumpet ball. Ayan, may mga cheering squad pa rito. So I repeat, this is the championship game in the volleyball between the white shirts and the yellow-green. There goes the leader, Centro. Service we have the yellow-green. Outside, too wide for Ma'am Sandy. Her service is too wide. Another serve coming out from the white shirts. Big bang! Oh! The cluster western. Up! Ball going out of bounds, so it will be still on the advantage. We have the yellow-green still serving. Yes. The yellow-green now coming from behind with another serve going on. This is the championship game between the the go. Relax lang. Kaya yan. Okay, there goes another serve coming from the yellow green. Okay, Ma'am Josie now will serve for the white shirts. This is Ma'am Josie. Okay, let's find out what will happen with this serve coming from the white shirts. Big bang. The ball goes up and going out of bounds. Okay, so yellow green could not control that leather, so it will be another point earned by the white shirts. And we'll have another serve coming from Ma'am Josie. Ma'am Josie now at the end line for her next service. It's big bang. Oh yeah. Medyo tumahimik kayo itong mga green shirts. Tumahimik ang green shirts. Ayan. Here comes another serve from open. Nice. That's a nice serve. That's a nice serve coming from the white shirts. Ma'am Josie is still at the end line.
Focus na lang bola.
So, okay, so we have a timeout. Bam, bang, ball. The white shirt. White shirts now leading. It's still Ma'am Josie at the service backs. She fires in. It's inside. It's inside. So it's another point for the white shirts. Okay. This is the championship game between the white shirts and the yellow-green shirts. And we have in possession of the leather, we have Ma'am Josie of the white shirts. She will push the leather, and there goes. And wow, what happened with the yellow-green shirts? Ha? Ano nangyari dito sa mga yellow-green shirts? Pinababayaan ang bola na bumabagsak sa kanilang harapan. Samantala ito naman, ganadong-ganado na sa pag-serve ang ating malalaro mula pa rin dito sa white shirts. There goes another serve and a bang! Bang, but the ball is up. The ball is up! Oh, Ma'am Sandy in a hurry. But technical, okay. Technical. This is the yellow shirt. Yellow-green shirt. Trying to gather their efforts. They are down. But they are still in the thick of the ball game. Okay, so we need some substitution. Okay.
Saan nyo baybayan? Habulin nyo, habulin.
Oo.
Okay, decision tayo
Ang unang mataparian, i-video ko. Okay. All is set. And there goes the leather. Right in front. Oh, it's a picked up. Sandy picks it up and throws the leather. Sandy moving back for the leather, but it's too strong. Too wide for Sandy. Okay. So it's again in favor. We have the white shirts in favor. Okay. Serving for the white shirts. At the end line. There goes the leather and stop the one-on-one. It's a one-on-one. Ma'am Sandy brings the leather up, bringing it up, and there goes the leather. It's high. Okay, and left flat-footed ang white shirts dyan. Napabayaan ang bola. Naagaw yung trumpet. Okay, ayan na. Oh my. Oh my. That's my Delilah. Ma'am Karen now serving with the leather.
What's your name? Sige, napakasya. Service na pamatay.
Go, Ate Gina. Nagadayo kayo, paspasaw ka, ne.
Ma'am, orange bola. Ma'am, paspasaw ka, ne.
Ne, tagpaspasaw ka. Juanita, Munay. Walay. Sila.
Very nice serve coming from Ma'am Sandy. Ma'am Sandy now trying to demolish the white shirts. It's still Ma'am Sandy, very strong serve, but they stopped by Ma'am Josie. And then, wow! Okay, it's Ma'am Sandy now doing the demolition for the white shirts. Another serve coming from Ma'am Sandy. Here comes Erno! White shirts now will
Sandy
have to serve. High ball. There goes. With the wrong direction, the letter went to the wrong direction. It will be a point for the white shirts. Another serve. Coming from the white shirts. Big bang. Ma'am Sandy. Ma'am Sandy. There's a whistle. There's a whistle. Another serve. For the white shirts. Bang, bang. Too strong. Okay, that will be too strong and wide for the white shirts. It will be for the advantage of the green shirts. Green shirts will now have to serve. At the serving backs, we are ready to there goes the ball. Stop it. Okay, green serving, easy. Taken by Ma'am Feli. Nice, but oh yeah, and there goes at the back. Easy, and now it's nice. Ma'am Feli of the white shirts now will serve. Bang! Oh. Okay, it's another serve. Oh, nice serve there. That was a very nice serve. Strong ball.
Ito ay pawang katotohanan.